Want to know how to hide the following list on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide following list in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. An icon will appear. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the last. Furthermore, under the account section, tap on the privacy option. Likewise, scroll down to the interaction section and tap on the following list. Finally, a menu will appear. Tap on the Only You option at the bottom. So this is how to hide the following list on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.